Goldman Sachs just dropped a bombshell. 300 million white-collar jobs gone by 2028. Not maybe, not possibly. According to their research team, 47% of global work will be automated. That is not a prediction. That is a timeline. McKinsey studied 2,000 companies last quarter. 55% plan major AI workforce cuts within 24 months. Not restructuring, not retraining. Cuts. Google just replaced 46,000 contractors with Gemini. One API call. Entire departments vanished overnight. Your job exists in one of three categories right now: automatable, enhanced, or protected. Most white-collar work falls into Category 1. Law firms use AI to draft contracts now. Accountants watch software do their actual job. Radiologists compete with models trained on 50 million scans. This hits your salary, your promotions, your retirement timeline, your family's security. The skill you mastered 5 years ago is now a 99-cent app. The window to adapt is closing faster than anyone predicted. Like and subscribe for more. Zero input, AI every day.